One of my friends loves to run marathons. He once asked me if I was interested in running a half marathon. I said, I don't think I'm in good enough shape to run 20 kilometers. I told this story to one of my private students, and we practiced how to use the word enough in English conversation. My student then told me she sometimes confuses the words enough and to. Here is how I explain the difference to my student. Enough means as much or as many of something as is necessary. We've waited long enough. We don't have to wait any longer. No more waiting is necessary. We've waited long enough. To shows that there is more of something than is necessary. We've waited too long. We have waited for more time than is necessary. We've waited too long. We use enough after adjectives and adverbs. I'm not in good enough shape to run 20 kilometers. Shelley added more sugar because the pudding wasn't sweet enough. Enough can be used before nouns. Make sure we have enough chairs in the meeting room for the 3 o'clock meeting. Enough comes before the plural noun chairs. Note, enough will always be used with the plural form of countable nouns or uncountable nouns. I saved enough money to buy a scooter. In this sentence, enough comes before the uncountable noun money. Enough can be used by itself. Do you need any more money before your trip? No, I have enough. In this sentence, enough is a pronoun that means all the money that I need. To is used before adjectives and adverbs. I wanted to go for a jog today, but I'm too tired. To can also mean very. I shouldn't be too long. This means not very long. Mom will not be too happy when she sees the mess you made. Not very happy is another way to say mad. We say enough plus a plural or uncountable noun plus the preposition for someone, something. Peter has finally saved up enough money for a new car. I don't have enough time for this. We say to plus adjective plus the preposition for someone, something. These sneakers are too small for me. It's too late for me to have a cup of coffee. Enough noun to do something. Peter has finally saved up enough money to buy a new car. I don't have enough time to do this. To adjective, to do something. I'm too tired to go for a jog. It's too late to drink coffee now. I won't be able to sleep. Find even more great English tools at the blog post that support this video. You'll find a quiz, audio quiz answers to improve your listening skills while you test your English knowledge, and a free PDF quiz download that you can do anytime offline. It's also perfect for English teachers to use in private or group lessons. And don't forget the fun infographic. There's a link to this blog post in the description. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.